Tuluyan na ngang dinivorce ni Priscilla Mireles ang kanyang ex-husband na si John Estrada. Dahil nga si Priscilla isang foreigner or Brazilian, kaya naman madali para sa kanila ang mag-separate. Hindi na nga kinakailangan pa ng annulment dahil doon pa lang sa Brazil ay pwede ngang magsampa ng divorce itong si Priscilla para ipawalang bisa ang kasal nila ni John Estrada. At ito nga po ang tinalakay kamakailan lamang sa Boy Abunda sa Fast Talk kung saan si Priscilla ang naging guest. Nasabi nga pong pahayag ni Priscilla, narito po. We're no longer married, which means bilang isang foreigner, may karapatan ako to divorce my husband John Estrada. So last year, I went to Brazil and I started the process of divorcing him. Actually, not last year, 2024. So I went to Brazil, I processed the papers that I need to process, and I left a power of attorney to lawyer to apply for divorce. Say ni Boy Abunda, that was a big move. Ano ang naging reaksyon ni John noong malaman niya ito? Pag-amin ni Priscilla, aniya, he was not happy. The first sentence he said, Pri, bakit ginawa mo ito? And then sinabi ko sa kanya, because I have told you I don't see myself sharing a life with you anymore. And I don't think there is any reason to stay married to you if I don't see myself with you as my partner. As my companion, I don't see a future with you. Paliwanag pa ni Priscilla Mireles, I warned him many times and I tried so many ways. I tried so many things to save the marriage. I tried to go to the church. We went to psychiatrists. We went to couples therapy. I did a lot and did not happen, unfortunately. My mindset was one, his mindset was different. I wanted to save my family and he was having fun. Anyway, ilang mga netizen ang nag-agree sa nasabi nga pong desisyon na ito ni Priscilla. Anila, agree ako sa kanya. Kala niya magpapakamartir sa kanya si wife. Si naman ang isa, I love how she gave a very detailed accounts of the process. True, ginawa niya naman ang lahat sa tao na yan kung gustong magbago or hindi. Free as in free, say pa ng isang netizen. Kung may divorce dito, ginawa na din yan ng mga Pinay, naging martyr din naman siya for some time. Wala lang talagang tayong choice, napaka mapagmahal or napakamahal ng annulment. Good for you, madam, for knowing your value. Kasi hindi pa rin nagbabago. Hindi naman kawalan niyang babaero na yan. Say pa ng isang yan, may naging partner na ba si John na hindi siya nag-cheat on. Akala kasi na blank na mo, womanizer na yan. At congenial liars si yung asawa na malalaki. So good choice at good decision ang ginawa mo, Miss Priscilla. Yan nga po ang kanilang pagsuporta sa naging desisyon ng ex-wife na ngayon ni John Estrada. At yan ang ating Showbiz Top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Top.